Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20, and today I will show you how to insert SIM into the device. So before you get started, you will need some kind of SIM eject tool, like I have one right here. They usually come with your device, somewhere in a box. And if you don't have one, you can just use a paper clip. It should be good enough too. So with that, if you have that ready, you can just take it and stick it right here. On the left side, you will have a little tray. Not sure if it's visible. Little cutout. There's a tiny little hole in there. You can put the tool, then firmly push it in, and you will see the tray just pop out, like so. And then pull it out all the way. As you can see, you have space for two Nano SIM. So you can just take them, and with the cutout placed on the bottom right corner, both go the same way, like so. And I believe it also, instead of one, it can take the HUAWEI Nano memory, but it's basically the same shape and size as the SIM, so it would go the same way as the SIM. And once you have it laying flush, like I have right now, you just take it and slide it back in here, like so. Make sure that the cards don't pop out somehow when they're being slided, and then just slide them all the way in. And then you'll get a little pin, assuming you have set a pin on your SIM cards. And then once you unlock it, it will take you straight to the settings of it, as you can see right here. For some reason, it also changed the language of the entire phone. Let me change that back just so it's clear. Okay, so now we're back in the normal language that everybody can understand. And so basically, when you put in the SIM cards, you should see the options for the SIMs. And if you don't, you can go into the wireless and network right here, and then into dual SIM settings. And as you can see, you have options here. You can enable or disable a specific SIM card if you don't like it. Also choose a default one and choose which one basically you use for calling and sending messages, and then default calling SIM basically, and switch data connections during calls. So you have a couple options here. You can also tap here to rename them, so you have better understanding which card is which. And yeah, as you can see, both of them are working. So yeah, that's basically how you would insert a SIM card and, well, a SD card if I would have one. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.